Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. Now scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Then tap on Language and Input, select Keyboard, and finally Input section. As you can see, automatic text correction is here. You can tap on this icon next to it to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!